The owner of the car has just bought a second-hand car for 8,000 wen. He regretted it when he bought it. There's a strange problem with this car. Now only every night can be lit on fire, as soon as the morning dawns. No matter how you fight, you can't beat it. Scared the owner of the car. Then the owner of the car found me via private message. Today we will see what is going on. Walk. First get in the car and light the light and try it to see if there is no. You really can't hit it. Do you know what the reason is? Walk. Go to the front to see. In fact, this problem has been there several waves of repairmen before who have changed the slip tire, washed the throttle, washed the oil circuit and changed the oil pump. It cost $1,000 or $2,000 and the problem was not solved. And then when the owner found me through a private message, he asked me if I would have a problem like this. I said I like to do incurable diseases. The owner of the car said, "If you can't figure it out, what should you do?" I said, "I can't figure it out." "How much money do you buy this car?" "I will buy it for you today. We will see if we can solve it for him in the end." In fact, such an incurable disease. Don't just fix it as soon as it comes up. What is the difference between it and changing supervisors? You just need to sort out your thinking and solve it very easily. For example, like this car. It can be lit at night, but it can't be lit during the day. And at night, you see that the temperature difference around it is so big. It is obviously related to the ambient temperature, speaking of ambient temperature. If we have a sensor on the car, it will affect whether the car is on fire or not. Come and see. This is the sensor that sees that there is no, it is called a water temperature sensor, and it can adjust the amount of spray according to the temperature. Generally speaking, if it breaks down, the car will have this problem, but you can see that this water temperature infectious device is so new. It is very obvious that the owner has changed it outside, so the problem is definitely not here. In fact, in addition to the water temperature infectious device, we also have a part related to temperature in the car. It is also very easy for many repair shops and repairmen to overlook it. It's this part. I see if there is no. It is called the intake temperature contour. I suspect it is broken. Now let's take it out and see how simple it is to remove it and unplug this plug first, okay? Look, unplug it. Then hold down this buckle and pull out this sensor. Okay, there it is. Now let's see what's causing the problem. Wow, this sensor is completely carboned up. No wonder the car won't start. Okay, so you found the problem. Fixing it should be easy, right? Hold off on replacing it. Save your money. Find a paper towel and lay it on the ground. Then grab a bottle of detergent and clean the carbon and sludge off the sensor head. Wow, see how dirty that is? There's oil all over the place. You can get these online for $5 a bottle. This air intake temperature sensor is actually a thermistor without a temperature coefficient. As temperature goes up, resistance goes down. As temperature goes down, resistance goes up. The computer controls the fuel injection rate based on this signal. You see, the temperature difference between day and night is huge now. If it's too dirty, the computer can't accurately measure the actual temperature. Because daytime temperatures are as low as at night, it will increase the fuel injection, resulting in an overly rich mix. That's why the car won't start. See, now it's clean. Looks like new, right? Next, let's install it and see if the car starts. Installing it is really easy. Just align it with this small hole, push it in firmly, and listen for a pop. That means it's installed. Finally plug it back in. Okay, everything's installed in the front. I'm going to start the car now and see if it will start. Hey guys, if the problem is solved, remember to give me a like to show your support. Next up, it's the moment of truth. Watch closely. Press the brake, put it in park, and provide power to the car. Okay, look, it's 5 o'clock. Still daylight. Let's fire it up and try. Come on, 3, 2, 1, go. Push the gas pedal. Wow, the power is really strong. Let's move forward and see. Doesn't that solve the problem? Look how smoothly the engine is running. What do you think, my friend? Pretty simple, right?